Hey, my name is Janet. I am a digital presenter for the PartsFPS. Today, I am going to talk about valve solenoid for Hobart part #00-8931000-00001. Valve solenoid for Hobart part #00-8931000-00001 is a replacement part for Hobart commercial kitchen equipment. It is a two-way solenoid valve that controls the flow of water or other liquids in the equipment. The valve is made of durable brass and features an adjustable pressure range from 0 to 100 psi. It has a 1/4 NPT inlet and outlet port and comes with a 1/4 compression fitting for easy installation. This valve is designed to be used with Hobart's commercial dishwashers, steamers, and other kitchen equipment. It is an essential part of any commerce. This part fixes the following symptoms. This part is a replacement valve and solenoid for Hobart dishwashers. It is used to replace faulty valves and solenoids that are causing issues such as water not filling the dishwasher, water not draining properly, or the dishwasher not starting. Here is how you install this part. 1. Make sure you have all the necessary tools and materials for the installation. This includes a wrench, screwdriver, and any other necessary tools for the job. 2. Carefully read the instructions that come with the valve and solenoid to ensure proper installation. 3. Locate the appropriate mounting location for the valve and solenoid, taking into account any clearance requirements or other considerations. 4. Securely mount the valve and solenoid in place using screws or bolts as required by the manufacturer's instructions. 5. Connect all necessary P. You can buy this part from www.partsfps.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsfps.com.
Visit www.partsfps.com to order commercial kitchen equipment parts.